Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening this Polly Pocket mystery box. How cool! It has 3 hidden surprises. And you have to peel this part when you open it to reveal. And here's Polly's picture. Oh, and look at Polly. She's so cute over here. So we're gonna be opening it. And this is the Mermaid Cove hidden hideouts. So let's get started opening this. Oh, and these are also available, these ones. So yeah. So let's get started opening it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, yeah. Took it out. Ah. Ooh, and I almost forgot Polly. Come on out, Polly. Ooh, and Polly's actually rubbery. Okay, so he's rubbery and stretchy a little bit. So we have the instructions here. Oh my god, okay, yeah, and I have this Polly's thing, whatever this is called. We can't wait. So the instructions say you have to peel it off. I have no idea, seriously. Okay, anyways. Yeah. You can put these stickers wherever you want. So there's like these sticky stickers. So there's like these sticky stickers. You can put it anywhere around you want. Oh, you guys, look at that. Ooh, and there's like a little merry-go-round for Polly's friends to join. Like that, like spin-a-doodle-loo. And let's open it. Like, this is the part. Let's open it. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? And then let's open this one. Ooh, can't wait to see all of them. Oh, OMG, there's a cute little tiara. Oh my god, I think it's for Polly's dress-up station, maybe. Oh, there is this adorable thing. I don't know what it is, but so adorable. Aww. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up with a scissor. Oh, it's an octopus. Oh, it's an octopus, cute little octopus. Oh my god, that is so cute. Ooh, and there's like a Polly sticker over here. So Polly can stand over here. Woohoo. And then, oh, there's a swing here. Oh my god. It's like a swing, cute little swing for Polly to, oh, and there's a mermaid tail. Oh, look at that cute little throne. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh, I think we can dress up Polly over here. Yeah, I think that's what the... Oh, okay, I get it. So you can dress up this cute little creature, I think. Maybe. I'm not sure. So this is like so adorable. I can't believe my eyes. Oh, it looks so cute. I thought you can dress up Polly, but let's try it. To dress up Polly, actually. Okay, she's not gonna... Okay, yeah, she is fitting. Look at that! Would you look at her? She is absolutely not fitting because her legs are coming out, but she looks good. I think you're supposed to dress up the little octopus because the crown doesn't even the crown fits on Polly actually. But yeah, anyway, let me see this. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna just, yeah, whatever. Ooh, there's like a mini treasure chest. I wonder, you can open it and there's like cute little diamonds. Let's police. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let's poly stick. It's poly stick time. It's poly stick time. Poly stick time. So I'm gonna put one over, maybe, I don't know. Ooh, I have an idea. I'll put it right here. No, not there. I'm gonna put it, close the box. Ooh, oh my god, it's so cute. And put all poly stickers over here. I'm gonna put some, they're so cute hearts. I'm putting all poly stickers on this, the back, because there's like not that much space for, you know. So I can't believe I've got a poly set. Poly is actually so cute. So yeah. I'm using all of the stickers for this over here, like over here, over here. And then I'm gonna add the last seashell somewhere else. As you guys see, I have it in here. I'm gonna put the last seashell like over here by this seashell over here. Like that. So Polly can stick over here. Woohoo! I'm sticking. Ooh, oh my god, this is just so adorable. I actually don't know what the crowns are for, but oh, look at this actually. Oh my god, they're so cute. I just can't believe it. So, okay. And basically the crown, it says, goes here. So I think I'll just, I don't know where to put it, but yeah, anyways. So let's invite Polly's friends. Ooh, get the trash out. Let's go ahead and invite Polly's friends. Be back in a minute. So I also have a collector's guide of Polly Pockets because of my first one. So over here I have a collector's guide. I'm actually going to remove the sticker over here and take my collector's guide and open it up and put the sticker. Since I already have one, I put the sticker here. And now I've got one of the mystery ones. And I have got this one. So I'm going to put a sticker on this one over here. I just put one of the stickers. So just like that, I had one over here, so I put the sticker. So let's go ahead and invite Polly's friends. And Polly's friends are coming with their Polly Pockets. I'm actually gonna have two Polly Pockets, because there's one for this one and one for that one. So pretend that's one of her other friend. So look at this one. I also have this one. So yeah, this also turns into a thing. But whatever. We'll talk about this some other time. So let's invite her Polly Pockets friends over. I'm gonna put the octopus here. 2 sets, so adorable, so cute. Oh my god! So let's see her friends. Her friends are hiding in this cute little cake. Let's invite her over. Come on out. As I said, I'm gonna have 2 Polly Pockets, so pretend that's one of her other friends. I can't get this one out. They're gonna be stuck for forever. Okay, yeah. So we have her, And we have Polly Pocket again. Oh, look, they both have different dresses. They're same, but they have different dresses. So, and then we have her. Like that. And I have the mermaid tail. So, just like that, we're gonna invite Polly's friends over. Hello, let's go play. And they also have a merry-go-round swing type of one. So, yeah. So let's invite Polly's friend over. Hello? Yes? Let's play over. Sure. Let's go, let's go. It's time to go to Polly's house. Do. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. I want to sit on the merry-go-round. Ding dong. Hello. Okay, come in. Yes. Oh my God, look at this cute little swing. Oh, hey, looks so good. I'm gonna actually add Polly over here so the Pollys don't get mixed up. Here. Oh, look at the octopus. Oh, you cutie little octopus. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that actually there's like a swing over here. I want to sit on the swing. Sure, go ahead. So let me turn this over so I can do it. Oh my God, this is so adorable. I can't believe I'm gonna sit on the swing and I'm the ruler of this house. And Polly's gonna swing. I didn't put her properly because I don't really know. But anyways, and I'm the ruler of this paradise. Ooh, I want to check out the treasure. Sure, go ahead. The crown. Oh no. Okay, I'm the ruler. I'm gonna wear this. Okay, there you go. She's so adorable. She looks weird, but yeah. Let's put her over here. Back. And open the treasure. Oh my God. I want some treasure. I'm gonna steal it from her. Take some sick time. Polly, I want to go home. Can we go home? Because I'm hungry. She doesn't actually know. Okay, bye. Come on, let's go. Okay, bye, Octopussy. Toot. Let's go. These are actually called Polly Pockets. So yeah. Let's go. Something to tell you. I stole Polly's gold. Some of it. What? She has gold? Yes, of course she does. You want to spy on her and see it? Okay, sure. Look, see? Oh, that's so cool. Let's go back in. So now we're going to be rich. Let's go back and pretend nothing happens. Hey, stop right there, thieves. I just saw you stealing my gold. Get out of here. Come on, give me back my money. They're all having a fight. So, yeah. Sorry, Polly. Never gonna invite you to my house again. Sorry. Can we invite you to our house? Sure. Let me just go ahead and lock my house, and then I'll come. She's gonna lock her house, and I'm gonna take... Yeah, there you go. Close this. There you go. Hey, Polly. Yeah, come on, let's play. Oh, let's play with a piñata. Sure. Everybody hit the piñata. Oh, wait, I'm gonna... You can actually flip it over. Woohoo! Some candy spilled out. As you see, this globe also moves as you move this. So, yeah. Oopsie daisy. Yahoo! Candy. Nom, 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 nom. I'm tired. I'm gonna sit down on this chair. No problem. You're the guest. You're the rest. Let's sit down. I wish I had some music. Oh, no problem. Our music pro is here. So let's get on here. DJ time. So as you see, there's a poly stick here. I'm just gonna get some snacks for you. Would you like any snacks, Polly? Sure. What have you got? We have pizza, 2 pizzas, 1 pepperoni, 1 cheese, donuts, all flavors, and some cake. Okay, sure, I'll take it. I'll take pizza. Here you go. Offer. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. What would you like? Whatever her name is. Whatever her name is, I don't know. I would like some cake or 1 piece of donut. 1 blue donut. Okay. Here you go. Nom nom. And I'm gonna take cake. So delicious. Everything's so delicious. Yeah. I'm gonna sit on my merry-go-round. Oh, Polly, we forgot. We have a surprise for you. What is it? Open it. You're gonna have to come here and open it. Whoa! It's a ring! You guys know this is actually a ring and can take it out. And then you can attach it on the bottom of this. So, oh my god. Okay, yeah. So I have to leave, but I have to leave right now. I'm getting late for dinner. Okay, no problem. Did you steal anything? No, I'm sure. Bye, Polly. Bye, everybody. Bye. So thank you guys for watching my show, and make sure to give a thumbs up to my channel, and especially this one. And please subscribe to my channels, give a thumbs up, and bye. I'll see you guys later.